Congratulations on cutting the cord. Hi, I'm Josh from Riccar, and thank you for your purchase of your new Riccar R27 cordless upright vacuum cleaner. Today we're going to check out what's in the box. The main vacuum unit, the battery, the power cord, the handle assembly, the dusting brush and upholstery tool, the crevice tool, the stretch hose, the telescoping wand, and the owner's manual. Now that you've seen what's in the box, let's go ahead and put it together. You're going to need one tool, a screwdriver. There's going to be a screw in the back of the housing here that holds the handle in place. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that on, but before I put that on, I'm just going to kind of give you a little tip. This is the front. This is going to go in the front. This tool goes in the tool caddy right here. I just like to do that first just to get them put in and out of the way. So that's how you put your handle on. Go ahead and put this screw into here. This is going to be the only time you need the tools. From there, take your crevice tool. There's a sleeve right here. We're just going to drop it into place. The hose has two tabs that go into this fitting right here. They snap into there. Take the wand, and you're going to snap the arrow into this place right here. You're going to hear it click into place. And then you're going to wrap it up around the top, mount it into there. This is your charging portion of the machine that you won't have on the vacuum all the time. Here's your battery. Battery just goes into place right here, and you're put together. So now we're ready to use our new cordless Riccar vacuum cleaner. Happy vacuuming.